GoDaddy offers several website builders: Websites Plus Marketing, Websites Plus Marketing with WordPress, or Managed WordPress. The method to add a WhatsApp floating button or clickable icon is similar across them. Log in to GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy.com, sign in, click My Products, find your website, click Manage or Edit Website. Open the website editor. In Websites Plus Marketing, click Edit Website. Launch the drag and drop editor. In WordPress, go to Appearance, customize or use a page builder plugin. Add WhatsApp button, easiest floating widget. Method A, use GoDaddy's built-in social or contact tools. In Editor, click Add Section or plus icon. Choose Contact or Social. Add a button or social icon block. Set button text to Chat on WhatsApp or add WhatsApp icon. Link URL. Replace the numbers with your actual full number. Include country code, no plus or spaces. Customize color. Green 25D366 is standard. Position, floating bottom right, or make it always visible. Method B, add floating WhatsApp button, more professional. Go to Add section. Custom code, HTML, embed. Paste this simple floating button code.